Well, hello, rascals. It is Tuesday, April 14th, 2020. I am making this video right now so I can go over some instructions for a research assignment that you guys are going to begin tomorrow, April 15th. By the way, happy birthday, Shania. All right, so we're going to be looking at chapter 11.1. It is about early industry and inventions in American history. So let's go over our objective first right here. And here's a little backstory for this assignment. So beginning in the late 1700s, factories and manufacturing started replacing farming as the main form of work in America. Many new inventions signaled the start of a new era in the United States. So here's our objective for this assignment. You want to be able to explain how new technology and inventions changed American life. So here is the task that you have on your hands. Starting with number one, we're going to go down this list. I'm going to explain some things. I'm going to show you some links in this video. First thing you're going to do is research the American Industrial Revolution and focus on two inventions of your choice. So you say, well, what inventions are you talking about? What inventions can we choose from? Well, right here, you're going to choose inventions from this list. Let's click on the link right here. And you see this table with two columns of all kinds of inventions from this era. Please do not say, can we do like the laptop computer? No. You're specifically going to be researching inventions that debuted between 1776 and 1860. Sorry, all you MacBook fans out there. All right, back to this sheet. You are then going to create a Google slideshow or keynote that showcases what you know about your chosen invention or innovation. So I have some bullet points right here that's going to help you to form your slides. So in your slides, you need to tell me what was the invention. Well, obviously. You have to tell me what purpose did it serve. You have to tell me how people did benefit or did not benefit from the invention at the time. You also need to include a description of what life was like before the invention, and a description of how lives were improved, impacted, or changed because of the invention. Your presentation must include a mixture of facts, details, and information through words and pictures. Words and pictures. I looked at some of the Louisiana Purchase slides from before, and a lot of you did a really nice job, but there were some of you that just had very bland, plain slides. Come on, spruce it up, man. Remember your audience. You got to make people want to read your stuff. Pictures help that. All right, another thing from last go around, you need to avoid plagiarism, which is copying word for word. Okay, you need to paraphrase or put into your own words what you find through your research. I'm very good, actually all of your teachers are very good at picking out, just by the words you use and the language you use, plagiarized samples in submissions. So don't do that, come on. All right, then blue highlight down here, find and share the key facts. 2 or 3 slides is going to be acceptable. You don't have to go crazy. Now I've linked into the sheet right here. There's a whole bunch of videos that you'll click on those, and they're going to give you a description, maybe some images, and explanation about some of these various inventions and innovations from that time. I will tell you right now that I recommend this top video. It says Industrial Revolution for Kids. That's from some service I found on YouTube. I think it's about 7 or 8 minutes long, but I thought it was pretty good. Down here are some websites that you can use. We have Britannica.com, Britannica Kids, ushistory.org, Interesting Engineering. There's another list of inventions from that era too. You can go off of those, but I think a lot of them are redundant, meaning they repeat the words that are up on that previous list up at the top. Then here's Destiny app stuff. This is database things that you have on your iPads. It's all through the wonderful and talented Mrs. Miller in the LMC. And your history book right here. I recommend everybody, in fact, this is going to be part of the assignment starting tomorrow. Everybody needs to read chapter 11.1. It says 7 pages right here, but a lot of it is pictures, so it's not too much for you. Okay, you got to read that. And you need to add a bibliography. This is mandatory for this lesson, so you must cite your sources. I've given you 2 links right here that will take you to sites that will make it really, really easy or convenient for you to make these citation lists or bibliography, whatever you want to say. All right, that is your research assignment in a nutshell. I'm going to do what I did last time, meaning in Google Classroom, I'm going to put a blank slide template in everybody's account or whatever you want to say. So that's where you'll do your stuff. And remember, spruce it up, make it look nice and stuff like that. All right, rascals, I hope you're doing okay. I hope to see you soon. Good luck. Email me if you need any help.